Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP strings and variables section. This is Concatenating Assignment Operator. We can assign and reassign variables to the values that result from operations. Here we have full name is assigned the string I'll concatenated to never tell. If we echo full name, it would print I'll never tell, one string together. During assignment, the computer will first evaluate everything to the right of the assignment operator and return a single value. In the code above, the computer will concatenate the strings I'll and never tell into the value I'll never tell. It will then assign this string as the value to the full name variable. This is true even for more complex operations. Here we have full name, I'll concatenated to never tell, concatenated to no matter what. If we echo full name, we would get I'll never tell no matter what as a single string. One theme you may notice as you learn the programming language's syntax is that common actions that programmers need to do a lot often have a shortcut. Consider the following. Full name is the string I'll. Full name is assigned full name concatenated to never tell. We then echo full name and it prints I'll never tell. In the code above, we have the variable full name assigned to the value I'll. We want to reassign full name to its current value appended with the string never tell. Believe it or not, this is such a common task that PHP offers a shorthand notation, the concatenating assignment operator, which is $. Let's compare the same action but using this alternate operator. We have full name is assigned I'll. We then have full name with a concatenating assignment operator to never tell. If we echo full name, it will print I'll never tell, concatenated together. It may seem funny to provide a shortcut to save just a few characters of typing, but when operations are performed often enough, those keystrokes can really add up. This syntax is also faster and easier to read, which makes code easier to maintain. One important thing to note is that even though PHP is often flexible about whitespace, it is inflexible with the concatenating assignment operator. The dot and equal sign characters must not have any spaces or other whitespace characters between them. Let's practice. Our instructions say, we're going on a picnic. We started you off with the sentence variable holding the value, I'm going on a picnic and I'm taking apples. Use the concatenating assignment operator to add another item to our list. The string you append should start with a comma and a space followed by a word which starts with the letter B. Next, use echo to print the new value of sentence. Let's do that now. Zoom out. Run it. We do pass. 2 says, that was fun. Let's keep playing. This time use the concatenating assignment operator to append a string which starts with a comma and a space followed by a word which starts with the letter C. Use echo to print the newest value of sentence. And let's do that here. Run it. We do pass. So what we're learning here is the concatenating assignment operator, which allows us to quickly concatenate a value to a variable we already have. We're able to do that doing $, and it is just a shorthand way of saying variable equals variable concatenated to a value we specify. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.